Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to fit Kia Sportage wiper blades. This simple task ensures clear visibility and takes only a few minutes. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. Many Sportage models use a 26-inch driver's side blade and an 18-inch passenger's side blade. Always work on a level surface with the engine off and place a protective barrier on your windshield. Now let's remove those old, worn-out blades. Gently lift the wiper arm until it stands upright, away from the glass. You'll find a small tab or clip at the connection point. Press this to release the blade. Then, simply slide the old blade off the arm. Remember to carefully lower the arm back down or hold it to prevent it from hitting and potentially damaging your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your fresh wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide it on until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's locked into place. A gentle tug will confirm it's secure. Finally, carefully guide the wiper arm back down onto your windshield, ensuring a smooth return. You're almost done. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid to test their performance. They should glide smoothly, leaving your windshield crystal clear. For best results and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and climate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.